So today we're going to talk about stablecoins, Tether, USDC, BUSD, what is happening with these, what you should be aware of. Is there a CBDC currently among us? Are you holding one and you don't know? That's what we're going to talk about today. If you guys are enjoying these videos from, again, Paris, France, in the Louvre. Am I getting better at that accent? I think so. Thank you, Vinny, for your tips. Anyway, hit the like button, hit subscribe, because we're putting out videos every single day. If you guys want even more information on what we're doing with our cryptocurrencies and why, I highly recommend you check out the CT Club. A link for it is down below in the video description. So first, as I said in the previous video, Coinbase has made it pretty public that their profits have pretty much been cut in half since last year from their profits made from the trading on their platform. And that's to be expected in a bear market. They're pretty out and open about that. And I was comparing it to Binance, who, again, they're pretty much saying, like, for example, personally, I keep getting this email for a voucher for like 500 BUSD trading voucher on their platform. And I just got to wonder, where is that coming from? Because we heard from FTX how most of the Bitcoin being traded on FTX wasn't actually in existence. It was just paper Bitcoin. And you got to wonder if that's also happening with BUSD and Binance. There was a recent report saying how their Bitcoin on Binance is collateralized 101%. Okay, but what is that collateral comprised of? It's comprised of BNB, BUSD, and USDT. So not a big spread of decentralized assets whatsoever, two of which are owned and operated by Binance itself, so not a lot of degrees of separation there. So there's pros and cons, right? You have Coinbase that's admitting that they've fired a lot of employees. They're getting half the profits that they were last year, and that, again, that's what's to be expected. That's kind of, an honest take on what's happening. And then you have platforms that are just trying to fake it till they make it out of this bear market, like Binance might very well be doing. Additionally, this is going to be in the next video. There is a whole bunch of information coming out about Binance, their tactics for buying FTX, possibly playing a huge part in manipulating the prices of cryptocurrencies these recent months. So if you guys are watching and you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe. That's coming out later. But let's continue on and get back to what I was talking about, CBDCs. Because Coinbase now, much like Binance, by the way, is having this incentive for having no trading fees if you swap, if you trade USDT Tether for USDC, owned by Circle, owned by Coinbase. So definitely favoring their own stablecoin in that way. And here's the thing, the promotion that they put out on Twitter, at least, is like they're saying, we'll make it really easy and free for you to trade from Tether into the world's most secure stablecoin, the world's best digital dollar. Digital dollar. That's the same name that the Fed and Wall Street companies are coming together to put together a 12-week pilot. They're calling it a digital dollar. Now USDC is saying they have the digital dollar. And to be fair, what happened with USDC holdings and wallets during the fallout of the Tornado Cash debacle, there's so many debacles happening, when they were sanctioned by the Treasury Department, Circle didn't wait for any official request or announcement or legal action whatsoever. They proactively froze a number of wallets holding USDC, showing just how much control they have over that stablecoin. So acting exactly like a CBDC and showing exactly the government what they're capable of. So CBDC very well could be among us, and unfortunately that's something that we all have to pay attention to when we consider stablecoins. Furthermore, you guys, stablecoins is such a luxury. And people are going to be freaking out at this video saying, oh, which one can I trust? If it's not Tether, if it's not USDC, if it's not BUSD, what do I do? Bitcoin isn't going to zero, in my humble opinion. It is volatile. It doesn't give you the luxury of being stable. But if you're wondering, which stablecoin you're going to put most of your wealth into, and is that going to go to zero? I think it's much higher risk in the centralized stablecoins we see today rather than Bitcoin. That's just my 2 cents. This is not financial advice, just my opinion. Anyway, and if we're being honest, this is how you should really be reacting to any kind of a central bank stablecoin, CBDC. Something like this, just like, Yeah, get out of here, man. I'm a dork. Sorry, guys. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.